next topic is molecular mass. We already discussed the concept atomic mass. One atomic mass is exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon-12. One atomic mass unit equal to 1/12 of the mass of carbon-12. Carbon-12 atom. The atomic mass of hydrogen atom is 1. The atomic mass of carbon atom is 12. The atomic mass of nitrogen atom is 40. That we already learned. These concepts can be extended to calculate the molecular masses. Molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of the substance. Once again, molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in it. Therefore, it is expressed in atomic mass unit. Molecular mass is expressed in atomic mass unit. It is the sum of masses of all the atoms. We will be calculating the molecular masses of some compounds. First one, calculate the molecular mass of a water molecule. Calculate the molecular mass of water molecule. Water molecule. We know that the chemical formula of water is H2O. It contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Then, first step, we know that the atomic mass of hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen atom. Atomic mass of hydrogen atom is 1 atomic mass unit. Then atomic mass of oxygen atom. Atomic mass of oxygen atom, that is 16 AMU. 16 AMU. Therefore, molecular mass of water. Molecular mass of water molecule equal to, here 2 atoms of hydrogen are present and 1 atom of oxygen. So, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. Molecular mass of water equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. That is equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So, write here 1 plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16. So, 1 into 16. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 16, 16. 18 atomic mass unit. That is the molecular mass of a water molecule. Molecular mass of a water equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 18. That molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in that substance. Okay. Another one is Calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. Calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. Nitric acid means HNO3. This is the chemical formula of nitric acid, HNO3. Calculate the molecular mass of a molecule of nitric acid. And what is the first step? Write the atomic mass of each atom. So, atomic mass of hydrogen atom equal to 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit. Then atomic mass of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom equal to 14 atomic mass unit. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 atomic mass unit. Third one, atomic mass of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom equal to 16 AMU. 16 atomic mass unit. So, therefore, molecular mass of nitric acid, molecular mass of HNO3 equal to 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen, 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen, 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen and 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. This is the molecular mass of nitric acid. So, right here 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen. It is 14 and 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So, 1 plus 14 plus that is 48. 3 into 16. That is 48. Then what is the total? 63 atomic mass unit. This is the answer. 63 atomic mass. This is the molecular mass of nitric acid. So, in this way we can find out the molecular mass of different compounds. Listen children, one homework for you. Calculate the molecular masses of NH3. NH3 means ammonia. Then CO2, carbon dioxide. Then CH4. CH4 means methane. Methane is a carbon compound. So calculate the molecular masses of each compound and submit on time. Okay.